What's the meaning of body shop? Body shop. Body shop.
Body shop. Body shop. The term body shop can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In a manufacturing context, a body shop refers to an area where automobile bodies are constructed and assembled. In a business context, a body shop can be a place where damaged vehicles are repaired or restored. Additionally, the term can also refer to companies that provide temporary employees for other businesses. In all cases, the result of a body shop is the production or repair of a physical object, whether it be a car body or a business solution through the provision of temporary staff.